Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Hind Rasoi. Our today's recipe is Desi chicken handi. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe Hind Rasoi and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's begin with the recipe. Here I go with 1 kg of chicken. I've taken a pot here. I'll add 4 chopped onions, 2 tomato, salt as per taste you will add, turmeric powder 1 spoon, chili flakes 1 spoon, cardamom and cinnamon stick, star anise and clove 2, crushed ginger garlic, curd 100 gram. I'll add half liter of water. You can add water as per your judgment. I'll mix it well. The flame is not on yet. After mixing the curd well, I'll on the flame and close with lid and I'll wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you can see it's boiling. I'll add here 2 to 3 spoon of ghee or butter you can add. I've added crushed coriander powder, crushed black pepper powder, crushed cumin powder. Roasted cumin powder also you can add. Mix well. Again we will close the lid. Wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll add green chilies 3 here, crushed fenugreek leaves, dry fenugreek leaves, garam masala 1 full spoon. I'll mix it well. Close the lid. Once you see the chickens are cooked well, last you will add the slices of ginger off the flame and then add slices of lemon so as to avoid bitterness. Remember, last you will add the slices of lemon so as to avoid bitterness and fresh coriander leaf off the flame. Desi chicken handi is ready. At this moment you can add 2 to 3 spoon of butter for good aroma. So our chicken handi is ready, a Desi style chicken handi. So it's ready to serve. It's a very tasty and simple recipe. So do try this simple, delicious, mouth-watering recipe and give me your feedback. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe Hind Rasoi. Thanks for watching. Meet you again with a new recipe. Khuda Hafiz.